Hello, welcome back to Google Doogle. We're at Gearings Point here at Hermanus, a beautiful place to whale watch. You'll often see the southern right here from around about June, July, even through as late as September. And Walker Bay, this Hermanus area, has become one of the famous holiday resorts, not only of the foreigners and locals alike, but also some famous visitors from the deep South Atlantic Ocean, the southern right whale. They bring their babies, which at the time when they get here are still white, they haven't tanned to their mother's color, and there you will normally see them run back here in the bay. Also right up to Knysna and beyond, you see them there as well if you're lucky. So on a sunny winter's day in South Africa, an hour from Cape Town Airport, come to Hermanus and watch the whales in their calving season. Free parking right here at the coast in Hermanus is safe. You might want to bring a picnic basket and sit on the rocks and enjoy that, enjoy the view. But now heading off from Gearings Point towards the old harbour, we are headed towards the restaurant area. Straight ahead, the red roofs are where the flea market is, and to the right of that are the restaurants and banks and so on. There are safe tidal pools nearby around the Hermanus town centre area and out towards Vermont, where you might choose to go and swim. The water's quite mild, it's not too cold in the summer. In the winter, well, it gets kind of stormy. Thanks for watching, and come back soon to Google Doogle and see all the places you love to see from above.